People in California will soon have more control over their personal data. The governor signed a new law set to take effect in 2020 to give consumers the right to know just what information companies like Google and Facebook are collecting, why they're collecting it, and just who they are sharing it with. For more on these sweeping new rules, I'm joined by Ryan Eldridge of Nerds on Call. Ryan, happy Friday.
Yes, happy Friday.
Yeah, these online, thank you. These online privacy protections, they are the toughest in the nation, and they essentially put companies on notice. You have got to be careful with our information.
Yeah, I mean, ultimately, this is kind of an amazing thing. There's a real estate developer in San Francisco. His name is Alistair McTaggart, and he spent over $3 million of his own money to get a ballot initiative started for November, so that way we could get tougher privacy laws. So this has been going on for quite a while, even before Cambridge Analytica came into all of our heads based on this Facebook scandals that were going on. And this was opposed, the ballot initiative was posed by Google, by Facebook, by Verizon, AT&T, just any of the big tech companies, and they spent over $200,000 a piece to oppose the ballot initiative. And the amazing part of this story was that the draft of the bill only came together about a week ago, and now it's already been signed into a law. So it went really, really fast.
Yeah, and Ryan, the idea was we've got to beat that ballot initiative, right? Okay, so let's talk about what this new law just signed by the governor, what does it do for consumers?
So you get to know all of the data that businesses are collecting on you and be able to transfer that data other places at least twice annually for free. You can opt out of having your personal information sold, but here's the thing is companies can then charge you a higher fee. So let's say for Facebook, for an example, you say, nope, I don't want you to just sell any of my information anymore. Well, Facebook might charge you, and I'm not saying they will, but they could charge you $1 or $2 to use their platform. This kind of is a little controversial because now you have to pay for privacy.
Right.
There's no, that's a little bit weird. But you can also delete your data. You can tell the business not to sell your data. One of the weird things, though, a little bit of a loophole that still needs to be cleaned up is that's selling data, but not sharing data. Most of these platforms like Facebook and Google, they're not essentially selling your data. What they're doing instead is allowing advertisers access to your data. So it's more like a sharing thing. So over the course of the next 18 months, when this goes into effect in January of 2020, they're expecting to do a lot of edits to this. And of course, some of consumer advocates are thinking the tech companies will get their teeth in it and maybe make this a little less stringent.
Yeah, make it a little less laxed, if you will. All right, Ryan, always a pleasure. It'd also be interesting to see if companies enact these policies in other states. Again, right now, just California. Ryan, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Still to come.